Welcome to the lesson on Streamlined Troubleshooting and Repair Processes. In this lesson, we will explore the structured guidance and resources that are used to aid technicians in troubleshooting and repairing battery electric vehicles, BEVs. Let us look at our lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the challenges of troubleshooting BEVs. Next, you will be able to describe the role of service information in BEV repair. Later, you will be able to describe and identify the purpose and key information found in the Technical Service Bulletins, abbreviated as TSBs. Finally, you will be able to describe the function and benefits of Diagnostic Trouble Code, abbreviated as DTC charts in BEV troubleshooting. While the intricate networks and computers in BEVs offer numerous advantages, extensive networks and sophisticated computer systems present unique challenges for technicians. From diagnosing issues like failure to start to navigating through complex wiring diagrams, the journey of troubleshooting BEVs demands specialized approaches. To address these difficulties, manufacturers have developed specialized processes to assist technicians in efficiently troubleshooting and repairing BEVs. These processes aim to provide structured guidance and resources to aid technicians in accurately diagnosing and resolving issues, ensuring optimal performance. In this lesson, we will focus on the resources and processes to aid technicians to streamline the troubleshooting and repair processes, namely Service Information, Technical Service Bulletins, TSBs, and Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC charts. Service Information is the official online repair manual provided by each car manufacturer in the automotive industry for their specific BEVs. Think of it as the blueprint for the vehicle, containing everything a technician needs to understand as to how the vehicle functions. Within its pages, technicians can find specifications, wiring diagrams, module information, diagnostic procedures, and guidance on handling DTCs, along with instructions for component removal and installation. The information will vary depending on the make and model of the vehicle and the manufacturer. This service information equips technicians with the knowledge of how the vehicle's complex systems work together. The manual provides a structured approach to diagnosing problems, thereby saving time and ensuring accuracy. When a particular vehicle make and model encounters a recurring issue, a detailed report is compiled and forwarded to the manufacturer for analysis. Once the manufacturer identifies a solution, they create a Technical Service Bulletin, TSB, a critical resource for technicians in diagnosing vehicle problems. TSBs provide comprehensive information, listing all affected vehicles by vehicle identification number, abbreviated as VN, range, and detailing the issue along with its resolution. Covering a wide range of concerns from module programming to component replacements and unusual noises, TSBs outline customer complaints and necessary actions to address them. Furthermore, they often include step-by-step procedures for technicians to follow, ensuring efficient and accurate resolution of customer concerns. Manufacturers have developed a vital tool to aid technicians in diagnosing vehicle issues, the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC chart, also known as a flow chart. When a vehicle triggers a DTC, technicians can refer to this chart for step-by-step guidance. It directs them on which components, modules, wiring, and connectors to test, providing specifications for each circuit and indicating what constitutes a good or bad reading. This invaluable resource streamlines the diagnostic process, enabling technicians to identify and resolve issues efficiently, ensuring optimal vehicle performance and customer satisfaction. The flow chart on your screen is an example of a manufacturer's DTC chart for circuit or system verification. It outlines a step-by-step process for technicians to diagnose the cause of a specific trouble code. In this example, the trouble code is P0BDF, an example of a fictional code, by checking various components and voltage levels. Let us now recap what we have covered in this lesson on streamlined troubleshooting and repair processes. BEVs, while offering advantages, present unique challenges for technicians during troubleshooting and repair. Manufacturers have developed specialized processes to address these challenges. Service information manuals provide vital details about the vehicle's operation, including specifications, wiring diagrams, and troubleshooting procedures. TSBs are critical resources that address common issues for specific vehicle models. DTC charts guide technicians through troubleshooting steps based on fault codes. These resources, combined with proper training, ensure efficient and accurate repairs for BEVs. Thank you.